Good afternoon. I picked bad lighting because Ariel's here with me. Now, my friends came to visit from New York, and I have never seen the Art of Animation Resort, and they're staying in one of the Little Mermaid rooms here. So one of the questions we always get asked is, can you stay at Art of Animation if you don't want a family suite? It's the Little Mermaid rooms. And the other amazing thing is today is the official grand opening day of the Skyliner, and I can see it out their window. So we're gonna go ride the Skyliner today. I'm gonna check out Art of Animation, and then we'll see where the day takes us. Let's go check out the resort and go ride the Skyliner. But here, check out this room. All right, this room is really actually kind of cool. But I think the question is really, what's under the sea? Ooh, or what's in the sky out there? I can't wait to ride that. Grand opening day too. Got my pins, got a special sweatshirt for Ed, but let's check it out. Wow, the theming at this resort's actually really cool. I like it. Walking through the Lion King area now, heading back to the main lobby. This is awesome. So before we head over to the Skyliner, time to pick up the rest of the group and grab a snack, and I have a guest star today instead of Ed since he's not with us today. So, meet the guest star. Are you busy eating your fries? You don't want to share the cupcake with me?
Oh, yeah.
Just like Ed, digging right into the food and the dessert before I can even film it.
So, this is a cupcake.
What kind of cupcake do we have?
I don't know. You
It's a
bought
mermaid.
it. You bought it. How would I know?
Yes, I bought it. She's right. It's a mermaid cupcake, and I didn't look what the flavors are either. So we're gonna cut into it and check it out now. And Danica let me know she's only gonna eat the frosting. By the way, that's Danica. Everyone meet Danica.
Oh my god.
Oh wow, that is a cool tail.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Go for it. Is it good?
So this is a vanilla cupcake with pineapple filling in it, and I tried the pineapple filling, and I love it.
All right, Danica approves of the pineapple cupcake. Let's try this. It looks really good. The pineapple tasted good when I tasted it by itself. If you're at Art of Animation, that mermaid pineapple cupcake, that's good.
And the icing is the best.
Someone needs more sugar. Danica ate her whole half, but she's still scraping the plate for the icing. All right, Danica, what are we doing?
We're gonna go on the Skyliner.
Are you excited?
Yes.
We gonna try to do all the lines to Epcot and Hollywood Studios and everything?
Yes.
Are you scared?
No.
All right, you ready to go ride?
Yes.
All right, let's go wave bye to your mom and Leslie and everybody, and let's go ride. Ready?
Where'd you go?
I don't know, they went over there. Let's go find them and go ride.
No.
Either we are riding or we're not, I don't know. We
We're
ride?
riding.
All right, let's go. Here we go!
Okay, now I'm a little scared.
Woohoo!
Oh no!
Oh, it is really breezy in here. It's nice.
Yeah.
How awesome is this?
Animation Resort.
Cool.
We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Look at me, I'm smiling like a little kid.
Next to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway.
It is really cool. And we got a cab to ourselves. It's actually
We
really...
are now gliding over our
It's talking to us
last
again.
lane. Please sit back.
All right, Danica, what do you think of the Skyliner so far?
A little bit too slow.
Too slow? Look, we just went sped up and we're going faster.
Oh,
Ooh, it's bumpy. It's bumpy when you go over the towers. And, oh, there's the Caribbean Beach Station in front of us. So that's a short run. Where are we going next? Hollywood Studios or Epcot?
I don't know.
Which one do you want to go to?
Okay.
Epcot and then we'll do Studios after and then come back? Ooh, look, we're flying over Caribbean Beach now.
Where is that?
Right there.
Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. All passengers must disembark or transfer at this station. We hope you enjoyed your journey and thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner. Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and not your step. Thank you for flying with us.
Whoa!
Whoa, the landing is fun. Oh, I see your reflection in the window, Danica.
Come on, do it again!
So we just got to the Caribbean Beach Station. That was a fun ride, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And we're gonna head over to Epcot. This station is Grand Central Station. It is the hub of everything Skyliner. It is mobbed in there behind us. But you wanna go jump in line and fly over to Epcot? All right, we're gonna go do it.
I thought you were gonna say jump in the water.
And why would I wanna jump in the water when we're riding the Skyliner? Kids! I don't know. Epcot, ready? All right, let's go. So the lines are zigzagging all over here in the station. They're larger than the queue spaces have available, but the cast members are doing awesome getting everybody riding today. So Danica and I are on our way in line to Epcot. So what you just saw is right behind me is the stationary loading platform. If you have a scooter or strollers that don't fold, so you don't have to move them onto one of the moving cabs, and then they just feed it into line to go up on the wire. So it's kind of cool. This accommodates just about everyone who's wanting to ride it. So Danica and I are almost up. Oh, there. Almost up to take our flight over to Epcot now, and then come back because we're just riding the Skyliner today. All right, Danica, you a fan of the Skyliner so far?
Nope.
You don't like it?
I like it, but
You do?
I'm not a fan.
It's good enough, better than a bus?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the station's pretty here at Epcot, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you were just asking, where are we?
I asked if we were in Paris because I saw that like little.
The Eiffel Tower, yeah. So we flew in over the construction for Ratatouille, and we got to see the new construction in the France Pavilion. So we're back at the International Gateway here now, which is the, for those of you who know Epcot, it's the entrance that comes in between France and the UK pavilions. So from Pop Century, Caribbean Beach, the Riviera soon, and Hollywood Studios. You got, oh, it's love bug season. Danica got attacked by the love bugs. But yeah, from the resorts that are connected to the Skyliner and Hollywood Studios, you can come right over here to the World Showcase. So we're gonna get back in line and we're gonna head back over to your hotel now, right? You guys had a long travel day.
I am. Look at that line!
I know, we gotta go get back in the line. You ready? We'll show you guys the line too. They're long, but they move fast. I'll time it this time for you, Danica, okay? Ready to go? She's ready to go. Danica wants me to be silly. But we just rode the Skyliner, the station's right behind us there. That was a long round trip, wasn't it? That was too much?
Never going on again.
Yes, you are. You liked it. It was just too long. Danica just flew in this morning, and then we rode the Skyliner now, so it was a busy day for her. But would you recommend the Skyliner for a way to get around? No. If you weren't tired and you were actually going to the park, was it a good way to get there? Yeah? More fun than the bus, right? Yeah.
Bus is boring.
Bus is boring, Skyliner's fun, you get to see cool things. And now it's raining and it's sunny out, so Danica's gonna go hunt for a rainbow. You wanna go rainbow hunting? That was a great afternoon, getting to see Art of Animation Resort, riding the Skyliner on opening day today. Danica and I had a blast. I don't think I'm gonna get Ed on the Skyliner anytime soon. Not his style of thing, but otherwise, I am a fan of the Skyliner. I had a great time. It is a great new transportation option. And if you enjoyed watching me and Danica be silly on the Skyliner today, be sure to give this video a giant thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time we update a new video.
And take the link to the video and share it. Bye.
So there you have it. Take the link to the video and share. And I think I might go get back on the Skyliner again. That was fun.